Hi Northwest team and hi Perth PEFs team. Hope all is well with you guys. It's gone very quickly since I last spoke with you 7 days ago. A few important points today I want to discuss, of course. It wouldn't be a discussion if we weren't talking about COVID-19, so I'll go through some issues with that and want to recap on timesheets and this time handovers. So with COVID-19, one of the things that we can't obviously do now are face-to-face Toolbox meetings. So our ability to connect and discuss and deliberate a whole range of work-related matters face-to-face has been diminished a great deal. So as a result, rather than not doing toolboxes, the company has brought on an online option. So the first one is available from Monday and it covers COVID-19, controls, procedures, what to do, what not to do, what to do with a client, what to do when or if clients refuse entry to a site or otherwise cancel work. So really important information on that one. It's due to be completed by the end of this month and it's available via Chubb's training, the group portal, and joining instructions will either be with you on your email now or very, very shortly. So please keep a lookout for that and complete that first online Toolbox presentation. Thank you. In terms of what I've covered in the past, one of the things I covered was better practice quoting. So when you send a request through to Perth and an estimator like Stu, for example, would get your request to fill, he really needs to have enough information to deliver a correct quote back to you. And last time, if you can recall, we spoke about answering the who, what, how, when, and why of that quote. And if you can, attach some schematics, some drawings, some photos, as much information as you can to allow the estimators here in Perth to give you what you need. A thing that's related to that can also be your handovers. So with your handovers for when you start and finish a swing, also try and cover off on those same things, the who, what, how, when, and why. Try not to rush handovers. I know it's easy to say, but I know some of these are done at airports, they're done, on the fly. But try and spend as much time as you can doing A, your quotes, and B, your handovers. Try not to leave these things to the very last moment if you can, because the effort and detail you put in will save a lot of rework, a lot of queries, emails, and backwards and forwards telephone conversations, and leaving these things to the very last moment will either A, in the case of a timesheet, will get knocked back or not received from Perth at all, and that may affect your ability to get paid properly on time. And with the case of quotations, will most certainly affect your ability to get a quote back from Perth for exactly what you want on time, every time. So to recap, guys, online timesheets, online training in terms of your Toolbox presentations, available from Monday, so please see your emails for the instructions for the training group portal. Time spent, detail spent with your handovers, you'll get out of it what you put in, of course, and likewise with your timesheets. Don't forget who, what, where, how, when, and why. Thanks, team. Talk to you next time.